Ichinose, running away won't erase the things you've done.
Stop it! I know you're right! I made a mistake and did a bad thing! I'm sorry, okay? I really thought I didn't have any other choice. All I wanted was to make my little sister smile. There it was. My sister's birthday present was right in front of me. Nobody saw me take it. When my sister asked me where I got the money, I lied and told her a friend lent it to me. That was the happiest I'd seen her in a long time. Her face lit up and she thanked me over and over again.